Okay, so last time I did a video on Yotta, I put $1,000 into the platform and you guys got to see exactly how much money it made me. So a lot of you guys liked that video and I thought, what if I 10x'd that amount? So in this video, I actually ended up putting $10,000 into Yotta and I'm gonna give you guys the results of exactly how much it made me in the last 1 full month. So without any further ado, let's dive into today's episode. Let's go. So before we talk about exactly how much I made, or how much I won, I should say, on Yotta in the last month, just from investing $10,000, I wanted to share with you guys some questions that you might want answered when talking about Yotta. So first, is Yotta a savings account? How does it work? And really, how much can you win? First answer is yes, Yotta is a savings account, but with a twist. The way that it works is you get entered into a lotto once a week, and every day of the week you have a number that gets picked, and you get to pick all the numbers for each ticket. Now, in order to get a ticket, you need $25 on the platform. For each $25 that you put in, you get one more ticket. So if I had $10,000, I have 400 tickets. And so if the first week I don't win anything, I get to pick new tickets for the following week. You can either have them be randomized by their computer or you can do them yourself. Obviously with 400 tickets, that would take a day and a half to do. So I just have the computer randomize my tickets for me. What can you actually win on Yotta? Well, if you match all the lotto numbers, so 6 plus the final Sunday number, which is called the Yotta number, if you match all 7, you get $10 million. Now, from my understanding, no one has actually won the $10 million prize. So you can already exclude me if you thought I won $10 million. But you can win a Tesla if you get 6 of the numbers. Then the prize below that is $10,000, then $3,000. And I'll just have it on the screen for you right here if you want to take a snapshot, if you're curious about every single prize and the number of correct picks that you need to have on a ticket corresponding to each prize. And then of course, is it safe to use, and how long do withdrawals take when you win, or if you want to get that money out, because it is a savings account? Well, Yotta is FDIC insured up to $250,000, just like any bank or financial institution. And anytime I've withdrawn from Yotta, it's anywhere between 3 to 5 business days to get my funds in or out of Yotta. Okay, and another question that I've been getting is Yotta rigged? I don't think that Yotta is rigged, mostly because of the fact that they actually post, kind of like in a news feed format, at the end of each week, the winners and the prizes that they won. And you might be wondering, they're giving out money, how do they make money? Well, in fact, they don't yet. They plan to make money in the future by providing other products similar to banks, possibly credit cards, student loan, car loan, home loan. Those type of products would be really easy to roll out once you have an audience or a customer base that is already on the platform. And so even though they're burning some cash initially, this could be a really huge business in the end. Now, I know what you've all been waiting for, and that is to find out exactly how much money I made in 1 month by depositing $10,000 into Yotta. And I wanted to make this really fun for you guys, so I'm gonna give you a couple of seconds to answer what you think I actually made in that 1 month's time. So the answers that are possible is $8, $100, the Tesla, or $1,000. I'll give you guys a few seconds to lock in your answers down in the comments. Don't try to skip forward or comment later after I reveal it. Comment now. I'll give you a couple more seconds to put it in. Okay, the answer is I made a whopping $8. And in case you don't believe me, because it's so much money, I'm gonna put each week on the screen for you guys here to see the winning numbers, and it will also show you exactly what I made for each week. So there they are, and obviously I didn't make as much money as I thought I was going to, or even what I made on my previous episode where I put only $1,000 onto Yotta. And if you want to see that episode, you can click the link. I'll leave it down in the comment section below, and you can go watch that video if you haven't seen that one before. And even though I deposited 10 times more money than in that episode, I thought I was gonna make 10 times more, right? But unfortunately, I didn't. And obviously this has a lot to do with luck and not just any kind of like skill-oriented thing. This is just like gambling, except you're not risking any of your hard-earned money because it is more of a savings account that aims to make saving fun. So if you have money lying around and you're just not comfortable with putting it all in the stock market or real estate or any other assets, and you're like, I just want to save some, I want to have a nest egg, I want to have an emergency savings, Yotta might just be the best place to put your savings money.